So to start off, we will be using the Chébé powder. It's anti-inflammatory, it neutralizes the pH of your hair shaft, and it's also great in moisture. The women in Chadian use this to grow out their hair. Next, we'll be using the breakage powder. It's used to prevent hair loss. Premature graying, and is known for hair rejuvenation. Next, we'll use the fenugreek seeds. It kills bacteria, fungi that's present on the scalp, and it also strengthens the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Next, we'll be using the almond powder, which conditions your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, improves the tone of henna dyes, minimizes gray hairs, boosts volume, and reduces dandruff. Next, we'll be using green tea, and green tea is really good because it reduces the DHT in your hair, responsible for hair loss. Next, we will be using the ashwagandha, which is believed to help improve scalp circulation, strengthen the hair, get rid of dandruff, and appear to stimulate production of melanin, which is the pigment responsible for the color of your hair. Next, we'll be using the hibiscus powder, which stimulates hair growth, makes hair smooth and shiny, cleanses hair, deep conditions hair, and prevents hair breakage. Next, we will be using the herbal hair mix, which has many benefits, which include preventing hair loss, prevent gray hair, prevents dandruff, and with regular use, it will promote long and thick, healthy hair.
To allow the oils to infuse, I have set a glass bowl on top of a pot with low heat. So the first ingredient I will be going in with is avocado oil. Avocado is really rich in monounsaturated fats, making it one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. This is really important because it can strengthen your hair shaft and prevent breakage. Next, I will be going in with Haitian castor oil. Haitian castor oil is high in vitamin E, minerals, protein, and omega-6 and 9, which are beneficial fatty acids for your hair. Then I will be going in with some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil works as a natural sealant to keep moisture in the hair follicle. Almond oil aids in the much needed hydration that your hair needs to make it look shiny and feel soft. The essential fatty acids in almond oil help you not only moisturize the scalp but also the hair strands themselves, thus leading to healthy hair. Sesame oil prevents premature hair graying, promotes hair growth, protects hair from harmful UV rays while also treating head lice. It also soothes heat damage and dry hair while preventing dandruff. Castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it beneficial against dandruff, scalp infection, and its ricinoleic acid content helps increase circulation to the scalp and improve hair growth. Olive oil is loaded with vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Olive oil helps retain the moisture in your hair, stimulates hair growth, and it also protects your hair from dirt, pollution, and strong sun rays. Olive oil is also another oil that penetrates your hair shaft. Jojoba oil moisturizes the scalp while also being rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair that include vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, copper, and zinc. Lastly, we'll be using coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair, adds luster and shine and softness to the hair. Coconut oil also prevents hair breakage, split ends, which contributes to hair length and retention.
The amla powder has this light brown, soft texture, and I'll be using 2 tablespoons of each powder into the mixture. I'll be using the Chébé powder, and this powder has a very strong and distinct smell. It's very rich in color and in texture. Disclaimer, so guys, I did use a t-shirt, just an old regular t-shirt, so I could do this. Usually I'd use a cheesecloth, but I did not have one at the moment. However, this is for my personal use. This batch is not for me to sell, so guys, use a cheesecloth. It's easier, but you know, if you gotta improvise, a shirt works just as fine. Guys, do not throw this substance away. Do not. We will be using this to add into our shea butter, which will be another video. So stay on the lookout and like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on. So when you're done, this is how your oil should look like, and I'll be transferring some of the oil into my little droplet jar, and I will be adding some of the herbal leaves, the herbal mix oil that I showed you guys earlier. And here you guys have it. This is the finished product. This is a 2-ounce droplet bottle. Lastly, all I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it into my mason jar. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.